And for those of you just joining us, we are showing you the life and the average day of an American teenager.
No, Mom, 5 more minutes.
Watch as this majestic beast arises from its slumber. It seems like the young male is preparing for its ritualistic morning wash. Let's see what he does, but don't interrupt. Look at the milk he has found. Imagine the vitamin D that he has. Oh, the strength of his bones. It's amazing how easily he prepares his morning meal. Mom? Dad? Drats, he's camouflaged himself. And here we get to see the rare sight of the male leaving his humble abode. It seems he's spotted us. He's entering his private vehicle. Let's see where he's going.
No, get out of my car! No, go! Go, get out!
Amazing how territorial he is. It's astounding how the average American teenager can order exactly what he wants and then eat it. Imagine if it were that easy for the rest of us.
It is, freak.
One of the most widely known facts about the American teenager is their ability to sleep for ridiculous amounts of time during the day. They're sort of like the prairie cats, like lions and tigers and stuff. They can just fall asleep somewhere and they're out for hours. Despite how common it is for these teenagers to actually sleep, it is very, very rare to get good footage of them. Another astounding feat of the American teenager is the ability to watch constant TV, just flat out hours, just sitting there in a chair getting fat while the TV happens. You can see their brains turning to mush.
I'm going to bed.
Good night to you too, you beautiful specimen. And good night to you, dear audience. Join us next time while we learn about the mating rituals of the Alaskan watermelon mouse.